The best ceramic coatings will give your car or truck its best defense against settling airborne chemicals and pollutants, tree sap, road and sea salt, bird poop, and the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. They'll also deliver a gorgeous sheen that's hard to beat. There are many products available to choose the best ceramic coatings, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Adams UV Ceramic Paint Coating Kit. Adams UV ceramic coating is rated at 9H on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness. The scale range rates from 1 to 10, making the 9H rating extremely durable in even the harshest conditions. Normal clear coat typically rates between 2H and 4H. As an added bonus, the infused patent-pending ceramic glow technology works as an application aid and allows you to see where the coating has been applied. A little goes a long way. The included 50 ml bottle will coat 2 full-size vehicles, or you can layer 2 coats on one car for an even more intense shine. High-quality micro-silk applicators, plush towels and a pair of gloves will help you be the master of your detailing craft. Number 2. Torque Detail Ceramic Shine. This heavy-duty coating is formulated using ceramic coating nanotechnology, similar to the thicker professional 9H ceramic coatings. It repels water, dirt, bird droppings and other contaminants and protects paint from sun exposure. Application is as simple as spraying the product on a microfiber sponge and buffing the paint to a shine. It also reportedly wipes off easier than competing ceramic spray products. Customers report a tendency for this coating to leave streaks behind, but prep work and application environment could be a factor. It may be beneficial to have a secondary sprayer handy until the packaging is improved. Unsatisfied buyers have 60 days to contact Torque Detail for a refund. Number 3. Nasiol ZR53 Nano Ceramic Coating Kit. Like our best overall ceramic coating product, this kit comes from a company that has been in the ceramic coating business since the beginning. Indeed, Turkey-based Nasiol manufactures a range of nano ceramic protectants, including coatings for countertops, marine products, wood and clothing. The chemistry in ZR53 nano ceramic coating is impeccable. It goes on in one coat, delivers a rich shine and 9H hardness, and should last at least 3 years in all conditions. The kit includes ZR53 ceramic coating, application pads, gloves, 2 microfiber cloths and other accessories. Number 4. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. Meguiar's hybrid ceramic liquid wax is more like a conventional wax formula infused with silicon dioxides to bond the molecules and build that ceramic barrier, and there's something to be said for familiarity. It goes on like conventional liquid in a circular motion and dries to a haze that you buff off. It's really hard to mess this stuff up. What's left when you're finished is a deep, mellow shine and extreme water-beating action. Moreover, the haze makes it harder to miss spots and easier to gauge even coverage, and Meguiar's hybrid will not whiten non-painted trim or rubber gaskets. Number 5. Drexler Ceramic Car Coating Kit. Drexler is a relatively new, small-volume company in France that warrants some of its ceramic coatings up to 10 years. Its over-the-counter ceramic for vehicles is applied in 2 stages. 1 liquid, 1 spray. It's time-consuming to apply, but not terribly tricky, and the manufacturer offers an online tutorial. What you get for the trouble is a hard 9H finish that should minimize light scratching as effectively as any ceramic coating can. It's intended to last 5 years or more, like many of the professionally applied detail shop ceramics. Drexler claims that with moderate hose pressure, virtually anything stuck to a Drexler-coated vehicle will rinse off without rubbing. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.